Now before we apply ceramic wax, it's best to give your car a good wash and dry. Now based on research and top rated customer reviews, I bought the Turtle Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray coating, which costs around £20. So basically this ceramic spray gives amazing results on paint, metal, plastics and glass, which increases the depth of colour and shine, adding super hydrophobic polymers for water beading and chemical protection. Simply put, this spray will give your car a glamorous shine with added protection, leaving your vehicle less dirt attracted and easy to clean. Now to apply the ceramic coating, grab yourselves 2 microfiber towels. Give the spray bottle a shake. Now try to avoid spraying short squirts of the solution. The way to apply it is you need to hold down on the trigger and evenly spray across. Use one folded towel to wipe and the other to finally buff it off until there are no heavy dry streaks shown. Do the same process all around the vehicle. You can also apply it on your rims too, as it's suitable for metal and plastic. This will help protect and draw off any dirt on the rims. Apply it on your windscreen too, so when the rain is hitting hard it will form into beads that will run off the windscreen, giving you a clearer view. Try not to apply too much on the glass, as I've noticed a lot of streaks while using the wipers, but it's nothing major as they do tend to fade away. Why not treat your headlights and the interior of your vehicle too? As you can see the facelift on the metal and the plastic, leaving your interior much more cleaner. I must tell you, the scent of the spray has pretty much got the same scent as the green apple. Now after carrying out this task, which took me less than an hour on this vehicle, I'm super satisfied with the results. The body, glass and interior has been treated, giving more depth in colour with a shine, with added protection to easily fly away the dirt, leaving your vehicle looking cleaner for long. Now it's been over 3 weeks since I've applied the ceramic coating on this vehicle, and I'm pretty pleased with the results so far, due to the fact that we had terrible wet weather, in which the windscreen beading up did help improve visibility. And I've been up and down on the motorway in the rain and dirt, so you can see guys, it's still looking in good nick, saving me time and money away from the car wash for a good while. And guys, it doesn't stop there. Give your appliances a spray to keep them dust free and get them looking as good as new. Take care, peace.